Welcome back, you guys. Today we're doing a full fitness vlog. I'm going to be sharing everything that I'm doing in my fitness routine right now, as well as my top tips. Right now I'm currently in a deficit for summer to get a bit leaner, and I'm sharing a full glute workout, and it's a really good one. I'm sharing what I eat, high protein, healthy meal ideas, my supplements, everything that I've learned from the past 10 years of being in the gym and living a healthy lifestyle. Make sure to subscribe for more videos from me, and let's get into this fitness vlog. Okay, I'm bringing you guys along for a very realistic fitness day in the life with me. Workouts, what I eat, supplements, all the fit tips. So let's get into it. I'm about to go hit legs. It's Thursday leg day with my girl Maya, and I just got a cherry slush. I try not to have energy drinks. I say this in every video, but on a leg day, I like to treat myself. So good. As you could see before the workout, I had a chomp stick for a little bit of protein, and I had a bunch of dates with peanut butter because you need carbs before you work out, especially if you're trying to grow the glutes. Even if you're in a deficit, which I am right now, to get lean, you still need carbs pre and post workout and that protein. So that's what I had. And yeah, let's go hit glutes. We've been hitting glutes together for like the past probably like, I don't even know, like last year. And we did the same workout for about 8 weeks so that we can really progressive overload and get good progress. And when I tell you, everyone's been asking us what our routine is, mostly Maya, because she just like has a really big butt, but she always says that it's from these workouts. So let's get into it. Let's go to the gym. Let's drive over there and get into this workout. It's gonna be a good one. Let's get into this fitness vlog. Okay, you guys, let's get into the new leg day workouts that's going to get you the results that you want. So after you warm up, of course, we're starting on the hip abduction machine. Grab a couple yoga blocks for some extra range of motion, and we're doing single leg hip abductions straight into regular hip abduction. Then we're moving on to single leg press. I like this seated machine rather than the ones where you're like lying down. Make sure you place your foot higher so you have a 90-degree angle, and this really hits the glute medius. I'll put the full sets and reps in the description. Next, we're moving on to cast glute bridges. I use a band for these, and we did a drop set, so we're really burning up those glutes. Moving on to those glute focus back extensions. The burn is really good with these. My only problem is that it's hard to really get heavy weights, so I need to stack some plates. Okay, the last exercise is one that I had in the last program, but I kept it because it's just so good. It's a bench supported glute medius kickback. So the bench just makes sure that we're not using our momentum, and it's just all glute medius. That's the workout that we'll be doing for the next 8 weeks, focusing on progressively overloading. After my leg days, I always like to walk on the treadmill. I go for about 30 minutes. Okay, we just finished leg day. It was so good. I actually really like this workout. The workouts that we've been doing, we've done like 4 different sets of workout now, or maybe 3, 8 weeks each, but we're really seeing some progress. This one's really like glute med focused, I feel like. We did cast glute bridges, glute medius kickbacks, hip abductions, so good. The single leg hip abductions, trust me, they're so good. And we did a drop set on hip thrusts, so I'm feeling good. I always treat myself on Thursdays to a Herx shake. So good. Cookies and cream. Literally tastes like a milkshake, and they have St. Patty's Day flavors that are coming out tomorrow. I was like, can you just make it for me? Whatever. Walked for 20 minutes on the treadmill. As you can see, I was watching Better Half podcast. I love that podcast. I always need a podcast to get me through my cardio. Like, I cannot just listen to music. I'll probably walk a little bit more on my walking pad later too. Yeah, we're gonna go inside. My boyfriend's working from home, so I'm trying to like talk as much as I can in the car. So this is my protein that I'm getting fast after, but we still need some carbs and more protein. So I'm gonna make my protein oats because it's just good carbs, good protein. We need to prep some food. I want to prep some chicken, some ground beef for the week so that I have quick, easy protein. If you watch my what I eat in a day video, I'll put it up there. Go watch it after this. I kind of explain what my nutrition's looking like today, so I won't go crazy in depth. I also have to take my creatine. I've been taking creatine for some months. I don't even know how many, maybe since January. Yeah, I've been taking the PVL creatine, German creatine. I took like the Almex creatine before, but I feel like the type of creatine you take really matters because I used to get so bloated, stomach going crazy. But the PVL German creatine is supposed to be like way better quality. It's a bit more pricey, but like there's no bloating, there's none of that. So I really like that one, and it's definitely been helping me push weight. I like it. So that's what we've been doing, and that's that. I should make a week of workouts for you guys because I do 2 weight days, my heavy glute day, quad day, and then just hot Pilates throughout the week, and like 10K steps every day. Loving it. She looks so red. What is happening? I showered, took a bit of a nap. As you could see, I had my protein oats, I took my creatine, EAAs, and L-glutamine. Yeah, I take my creatine every day. I also take L-glutamine to help with my gut health. EAAs, I don't always take them, but if I remember, it just helps more with recovery. I also realized I forgot to tell you guys my outfit from the gym today. I was wearing Alphalete leggings, Alphalete sports bra, and a 437 curve jacket in the cream color. I just threw in some chicken into the oven to prep. My boyfriend's gonna make a steak tonight after work. I'm excited for that. I'm going to walk on my walking pad for a little bit before work. Like I said, I like to get around 10,000 steps a day for like my week. That's what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna come home and have some steak. So I'm gonna get ready quick to hot girl walk. Keep it super simple. I always throw on these Lulu soft stream shorts or some other like baggy shorts and just a little sports bra because it gets really hot in my apartment. But if you know me, you know I love my walking pad. I live in Canada where it's cold and like gross out for a lot of the winter, so the walking pad is a game changer. I'm so lucky that I don't have like neighbors right below me because it is very much like an upstairs neighbor activity walking on a walking pad. But I'm gonna keep listening to the Better Half podcast while I walk, and then I'll probably have some chicken. I'll update you guys, but some chicken before I go to work as a little snack, and then I'll talk to you guys after work when we're having steak. Okay, you guys, the chicken is cooked. I was gonna eat some of this with some salad, but honestly I ran out of time getting ready for work because I was doing a slick back, and I started panicking that I had traction alopecia and looked bald, so I had to figure that out. But anyways, so I'm just going to grab one of these grenade bars, the salted caramel bars. These are so good. It's not my preferred thing since I already had a protein shake. Like, I don't like to have too much like artificial protein stuff, but this is what I got them for times like this when, you know, I want to eat something that has some protein. So that's what we're doing. I'm gonna pack up those chicken breasts for protein, prepped protein for the week, and we're gonna go to work, and then I'll see you after when we're having our steak dinner. Hi guys, it's the next day. I did not film after work yesterday. I was just home late, had my steak and Japanese sweet potato, so good, and went to bed. That was really it. So I didn't finish the vlog yesterday, but I saved half my steak and had it for breakfast with some eggs today, and it was so good. But that is it for this fitness vlog. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any more videos from me. I still I'm going to be posting my fitness content, don't you worry. Like this video and comment, let me know if you like the fitness videos, of course, and I will keep doing them for you guys. But that's really what a typical day in my life looks like. Just finding what works for you. I like to walk, I like to lift, I like to do hot Pilates. I'm about to go to hot Pilates right now, and I like to eat well, and that's what works for me. and that's how I incorporate my fitness into my everyday life. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.